when they try to make you feel like pain on me. But you know, like I know that trouble will never last. Yeah. So hold your head up high. God is on your side. And he loves you and he cares. He's so
Hey Gems, it's Tayshawn Miller, and welcome back to part 2 of how I am going to customize this unit I received from Ted's Hair Company. And it is already pre-cut into a bob. So what I'm going to do is, in my bowl, I am going to mix some of my Quick Blue Lightener and my L'Oreal 40 Volume Developer into a nice thick consistency, nothing too runny. And I'm going to, I know I don't want you guys to do what I did because I did it very sloppy, but that's because literally I can do this with my eyes closed. I do want you to make the consistency to be a thick paste, that way it doesn't run all over the place, but I want you to be a little bit more uniform with putting the dye. Like I just put it on the bleach, I just put it on because at this point I was tired. I had been doing hair all day and I was just being really lazy. I wanted to get the video out. So yeah.
And she never paid mind to it, cause when he came home she acted all fine with it, but patience grew short and then violence settled. But the kids yell at night and no family help, but she thought she was love and she chased the high, but every other night she had some more to cry about. Every second she felt lonely again. Money wasn't on her mind but she felt content, and the superstar of the block was her man. So income was great and she was left to mend the broken heart that she tried to keep together. Every night, every try was barely right, never conversations, only fights, and she lay with the pad drawn, lonely cries. And I said, pictures again, a lonely girl crying. No one can make her see how far she's fighting, but she lets go of her own. But she lets go of her own. She's strong and she moves readily, strong hand, soft mind like the hills in Beverly, where her strength is really weakness. After the first man, now she dates frequent. Nails done, hair done, best outfits, selfie queen on Facebook.
Okay, so now that I am done applying all my bleach, and may I tell you that I didn't even have to use a lot of bleach. Normally I have to do, 2 more bowls or whatever, but I did not have to use a lot of bleach. This wig, although it's thin, it's not that thin to where it just looks ridiculously thin, but it's thin enough to where everything you do, you only have to do it one time. So right now I am just putting some streaks to the top because I want this unit to just look like it has highlights and lowlights, and like whatever way the light hits it, I want it to be able to show more and show less, if it makes sense. So now I am flipping my wig over and I am just patting some of that leftover bleach onto my knots so that it can look a little bit more realistic. I am not into the scalp melting method. I think that it is very, very dangerous for your hairline. Don't debate me. Now I am going to rinse off that bleach and add my color. I am using Adore in the color Burgundy Bliss. And once again, guys, like I said, anything you do with this wig, you have to do it one time and you don't have to use a large amount. Can I tell you that I was able to dye my full unit with a half a bottle of dye? Never in my life have I used only a half a bottle of dye to dye any type of hair. Ever. So I was definitely happy and pleased because I purchased 2 bottles. So now I have 1 bottle and a half left.
But she lets go of her own, and she ends up all alone.
Okay, I've rinsed the hair out and I'm going to go ahead and pluck my hairline to make it look just a little bit more natural, and also so that I can have a little bit of baby hair. Now, the way I am going to do this unit, I don't have to wear the baby hair if I don't want to. I can pull it going back, or I could swoop it and, you know, have baby hair as well.
In a home made her feel so many things. So away with the emotions, move across the land. For a new beginning to fall in the arms of man.
I will link other plucking videos because I'm not going to be very detailed with this plucking method. Like I said, I just wanted to do just a little something just to take some of the bulkiness out, and that's about it. I am going to go ahead and show you guys the other side to let you guys see how it looked, and you can see the difference. And I am getting ready to wrap it up, guys. Make sure you click the link and look at this company's hairline, Ted Hair Company. When I tell you guys that I am in love with this hair, I've been getting nothing but compliments all day. Today is Mother's Day. Everybody has been telling me they like the color. They've been telling me they like the hair. It's beautiful. I love it. It's so soft. And look at this color, guys. Do you see how this color? I only had to bleach my hair one time. I only had to use a half a bottle of dye. This wig is $63. You cannot beat that. Please check this company out and make sure that you follow them. Thanks for watching, everyone. I love you. Bye.
The past is the past. She don't dare to mention any of that, so she moves on. Now she's in dire straits, living with her mom, but she can't stand the way she gets down line, looking for acceptance. The man on there be all professing their love is a masterpiece, but for sure what she lacking needs, she finds love in a pack of seeds to lead her grow into a worthless dream. My verse, it means that everyone gets hurt before they actually meet. Yeah, she's trying to pictures again.